Yeah, how's it going? Today is 19th of April, Friday, and we are taking a look at the market, what kind of opportunities we can find in the city. Let's take a look at semiconductor catapult and what kind of opportunities we can find in today's video. Let's see what programs they might have right now and how we can reach out to this catapult. There might be a lot of things happening, and they might have received a lot of investment. And let's take a look at how and what they're going to be doing to progress with that. Yeah, right now I should be in the meeting, right? But there are so many different people, right? And some of those people are afraid to answer phone calls, to attend in advance arranged meetings, all these kind of things, right? So this is what's really happening on the ground, right? While this is happening, we are looking to solve very, very complex problems, right? With the hope that these people would be able to accomplish what they're doing. Some of those people have been given just one task. Just one task. Once that's been said, let's take a look at this article, right? A new 1.6 million state of the art facility to help accelerate electrification across UK has opened at CSA Catapult. The facility is part of their industrialization center and can be used by manufacturers as a prototype facility for developing semiconductors and all compound semiconductors advanced packages using novel 3D printing technologies and or materials. The new facility has opened by there's the name is there. Let's see if we can reach out to this team. It would be great to have access to these kind of facilities, right? Uh, Down the line, perhaps I can take a look at something like a military. I guess is something that they are producing. I think for people who are interested, and or if there are people who need a broader prospect and know how semiconductors can be used, I can take a look at that briefly. Briefly, we can take a look at some of those press releases that to be something that was published yesterday. I personally believe it's very intertwined, so to say, when it comes to semiconductors, when it comes to some of the hardware solutions that have been produced, right? That would be press release the UK's most lethal tank rolls out of the production line. Okay, okay. It's kind of like a platform, and different equipment can be attached to this particular platform. There are more interesting projects than particularly this one, where it could be size could be reduced and it could be unmanned. So that's something that myself I might be more interested in. So there is a platform, and there is no need the person to be on that platform. I'm more interested in those kind of projects, but this project might be great as well, but I think it's overpriced. If you ask me, if I would have a contract, how many of these I can purchase and how many of the projects that I have just mentioned, unmanned, I can purchase, I'm more interested in those kind of projects. But either way, we can briefly take a look at the latest challenge in free tank finalizing production, supporting hundreds of UK jobs in the different areas. 148 cutting edge main battle tank to be provided to the British Army. We can briefly take a look at this article. There isn't that much information, but we can touch on cost, or perhaps how much it can cost to manufacture. Is kind of it's still important, I guess. I would say perhaps there are better projects, and we take a look at investment and where those investments could be made, right? With advanced armor and devastating firepower. Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's a lot of information. I don't know. I guess we're doing marketing also. Is it right? The latest of 8 challenges, free prototypes roll off. There's a name there that I think I have dealt previously, right? So that's a joint venture of a lot of companies, including Base Systems and Nord Factory Production, Lion Telforce, and Nord Defense Secretary has an opportunity to meet the engineers and apprentices who have worked on this crucial program. The first tank is already showing capabilities on the trials. All will be tested under operational conditions to validate their performances and make refinements before another 140 are built and or developed by British Army. So 140, I don't know. There is a better. If I'm just saying, there's a better project. But either way, it is great. What they're doing is great, right? Challenger 3 is being delivered by Rheinmetall. Uh, would that be German company? Perhaps joint venture or something. Base systems led under 800 million contract, creating number of high skill roles with nearly 300 jobs, generating as RBSL, including 130 engineers and 70 technicians, with additional 450 jobs across UK. So that's kind of, I guess, where the good things are. And let's come back to semiconductor side. So that will potentially be entire chain and where it will begin and how it could be potentially progress into, right? And close the city on some of those opportunities, right? That will be UK, TI, and training for telecommunications innovation support. The UK Telecommunications Innovations Network has genius strands of support available to business who are shaping the future of telecommunications, delivered by Set Square Partnership. That will be University of Bristol. But I don't know. So myself, currently, I'm struggling with this company. I'm struggling. So I'm not definitely not promoting this. I don't know. Maybe they need to hire a new person or do something right because currently this company that they're referring to, they shouldn't give more contracts to this company. Say that is, they shouldn't give more. But if they cannot handle workload that they currently have, do not give somebody else. Perhaps there's a different companies there. That's my feedback, right? The program brings together knowledge, expertise, and resources to enable spin-outs, startups, and scale-ups to accelerate growth in telecommunications. The training provides learning opportunities focused on communications and or investment throughout 2 hours of self-learning and 1 hour live sessions each week. See how the dates of upcoming sessions. So I'll try to reach out to the team, but I don't know. So those opportunities are being made available up there. Let's close on that. Thanks for watching. See you next one.